Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, many of the students are thinking this is as a selection email. Friends, this is not a selection mail. This mail is sent to the student to collect the documents, right? So this is just a email for the document verification. This is not related to the selection email. Also friends, there are many students who had not written the examination, so they have exam on 17th of July. Okay, so they have exam on 17th of July. TCS has now started sending email to them that your exam is on 17th of July. So we are going to discuss a lot of things in detail. And also now friends, even the college TPO, right, so they have started getting the details, right? So if you are not getting any email, you can also check with your college TPO. So here you can see, dear coordinators, PFB the 2024 batch TCS NQT selected a student on digital and ninja. So there are 8 students for ninja role, 3.36 LPA, 3 students selected for digital role. Okay, please mention your department selects. Now here you can see, so they have sent one Excel sheet where the students, right, has been selected. So 8 3 12, sorry, 8 3 11. So you can see 12 column here. So 11 student and plus 1 is candidate names and all those things. Coordinators, so kindly get the acceptance from your student, then we will send an acceptance mail to HR. Now friends, so why the acceptance mail has to be sent to HR? The reason is because there are student who has got another offer. Now suppose somebody has got offered for ninja role and he has earlier got offered for EY for 6 LPA. Now which company he should join? So definitely this EY. Okay, also friends, in this video we are going to tell you, right, so if you'll see, so we are going to tell you all those things. Like for many of the students are commenting that sir, I gave interview for prime role, I got document verification mail, but for which profile I am shortlisted is not mentioned. So friends, here I wanted to tell you, so document verification mail if you are receiving, there is a good chance that you will be part of TCS, right? You will be part of some profile, but it cannot be guaranteed. Okay, so in that case you have to wait. So you should be receiving a email like this. Okay, I will just show you. So you should be receiving an email like this. So here, dear candidates, greetings from TCS campus team, hope you are doing well. Congratulations to all of you from TCS. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that you have been shortlisted for a prime role. Please share these documents in one compiled PDF format on Thursday 11th of July 8 am. So even there is some delay friends, there is no problem. We will also talk about the documents. So if you don't have the documents, what to do, each and everything, so please watch the video till the end. Okay, now, and friends, there are many students for them, right, so this degradation has happened. So basically, so digital, so this particular person, right, so he had given the interview for digital, right, and he is telling I was expecting prime, but they have given me ninja, right? So the result has been announced. For digital the interview was conducted, but he has to submit the documents for the ninja role, right? And there was one student who has asked lot of queries, so I am going to answer all of your queries. Okay, don't worry about this. Okay, so there are a lot of queries which I have taken here, right? So which we will see. But friends, before that I wanted to tell, so there are few students, those who had not written the examination. So now TCS is conducting examination for them on 17th of July. So if you are really serious about cracking TCS, then friends, you can see one of our paid batch students, so received a TCS selection mail. I am selected for digital role. Your course helped me a lot, right? Okay, and friends, that's the reason. So you know, right, so this has happened only because of this TCS crash course. So crash course on TCS NQT. So if you have not got it and if you have exam, get it. Even if you are from 2025 batch, start your preparation right now with TCS NQT crash course. It will definitely help you to crack any exam. And if you have lot of queries, then you can also join Telegram group, right? So already 14,866 members are talking to each other, getting all the information, writing the online examination, getting help from their colleague. The link is in description, don't miss it, right? Now let us come back on the basically the PPT sheet here, right? Okay, So what all things I'm going to explain one by one, we will understand. Okay. So friend, the first thing is, please don't think this is a selection mail. So this is for the document. So please upload your document. See, there might be a possibility that you will be getting selected, but this does not guarantee your selection. Okay. Now, next thing, even if you are not getting any response, you can also reach out to your college TPO, because they will be also having a list. Okay. And then the third thing, friends, this is the mail which you should be receiving, right? See here also, if you'll see, so TCS confidential. So congratulations to all of you from Tata Consultancy Services. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you that you have been shortlisted for TCS. Now friends, here the role has not been given. Okay, right? See here the role has, so there are different kind of mails has been received. Now, so you have been shortlisted for TCS. That means definitely you will be getting some roles in the TCS. So what, see, what should be your duty? So you just submit the document, right? Wait. Even you can get in touch with your college TPO. He might give you some information, right? But this means, right? So when they're telling that you have been shortlisted for TCS, that means after your interview, if you are receiving, that means you are one of the selected student. Okay. Now, next is friends. So here they have also given the role. So this is also one selected screenshot. And friends, one of the student, he said like, sir, applied for TCS, right? From different ID, and now from the different ID again, TCS has called him for the written test on 17th of July, free NQT. Should I write the exam or not? Already you have written the exam, you have gone till interview. What is the point of writing the exam once again? See, when you are going to submit your documents, right? So all these documents now, so if you are getting selected from both the roles, both the email ID, right? So both the, basically the result will be cancelled, because the documents you cannot change. Your father name can you change, your mother name can you change, your name can you change, your girlfriend, your wife, still you can change, right? But father, mother, all those things you can't change it. Understanding? Okay, next friends, next is, so hello sir, I got ninja verification mail. On that mail I messaged 3 times for rechecking the role, and all like my interview went very good. Then why I got ninja from digital? Friends, many a times it happens, right? We think that our interview was good, but when you were giving the interview, so we have technical, managerial round and HR round, right? Your personality, the way you talk, attitude, each and everything matters. Only technical knowledge, that means they would have conducted only TR round, right? Right? Why MR round is conducted, why HR round is conducted, all combined you will be getting the result. Okay, so don't think your interview was good and then start sending the email, right? So definitely now anyway you have selected, so there is no problem. But so I sent 3 times mail and then 4 times I send all my documents, will he get angry? Don't do all those things, right? So it is see, this shows, see, when you send 3 times mail, that means it shows your personality is not right. So you are not, you don't have a proper personality, and that's the reason now this should give you the answer why from digital you got ninja, right? So the people, see, many of the students will tell, sir, I did TR like this, MR like this, HR like this, will I get selected? See, in front of whom you did TR, MR, HR, they know, see, lot of things. When you entered into the interview hall, how did you react, right? So lot of things matters. How did you answer? What was your communication skill? Each and everything matters. Nobody can tell you you will get selected or not, right? So this kind of questions we get and we just answer, please wait for the result, because I was not there during your interview, right? Okay. Then, sir, I gave interview for Prime. I got verification mail, but for which role I am shortlisted is not mentioned. If you are getting only verification mail that everyone is getting, that is not a shortlisted mail, right? Okay. So this has lot more questions which I will try to answer. Sir, I have received mail for document verification where it said I am shortlisted for TCS. Okay, that means you are shortlisted. The role they will be giving you later. There was not any role mentioned, no problem. Deadline submission for the document was Thursday 11th August, but 11th August is Sunday. What is this logic? See, they have asked you to upload your documents before 11th of August, right? Okay. So you, if it is Sunday, Monday, holiday, that's not your problem. I received mail at 12 am midnight, just 2 hours ago of this comment. No problem. I can share your screenshot of, that is not required. Digital का interview देने के बाद Prime का role दे दिया, it's a scam. So he gave interview for digital and he got prime. Okay, now so TCS is downgrading everyone. People who were selected for prime got digital, those who got selected for digital got ninja. What a scam. Online study for you, interviewed for digital, offered for ninja. Sir, our TPO said that we can share the documents after 8 a.m. also, because most of the students have not received last semester marks, provisional degree and bona fide. They got messages from HR group of TCS. Okay, now starting that we can share documents after 8 a.m. So see, even many of the student does not have all the documents, so you don't have to worry. So TCS HR, they have, the TPO has received the response that you can submit your documents even after 8 a.m. That's not a problem, but please submit in a proper way. I will be making a proper video where how so by evening we will upload, and let me know if I should upload or not. So there I will take all the documents, we will merge it, and how you have to send all those things I will show you, so that you don't do any mistake over there, right? So friends, I have tried to answer all of your queries. And one more thing friends, there are many states from where the results are now coming. So yesterday I had told you Maharashtra, so many people have already got the result. Everything will be happening in phase wise, so you need to wait. Second thing friends, from Ghaziabad some people received. Okay, Ghaziabad, Delhi, so some people have received. Okay, and then if we'll talk about Karnataka also some people have received. Okay, I was seeing Tamil Nadu also some people have received. See, this is from where I am getting, from your comments only. So I went through all the comment section. Okay, so somewhere from Karnataka I could see, I had also mentioned it here in some chats, I don't know. Yeah, so anyone from Karnataka? So yes, so Harsh Ranjan is telling yes, from Karnataka I have received it, right? So friends, from your comment only I am trying to help you out, right? So do subscribe to this channel. I don't want you to miss any kind of update, right? And let us get the correct information, and don't forget to get TCS NQT crash course if you are looking to get placed in one of the top MNC, where we are giving lot of results, not only from today, from last 4 years. And that's the reason today we have, right, today we have a family of 540k, right? So this is because of the trust which we have generated, right, in this last 3 to 4 years, and that's the reason there are people who are associated with us. So thank you, take care, all the very very best. Even a small information I will get, I will try to share with you. Just appreciate our effort, kindly like the videos, and all the very very best. Everyone should get a job, everyone should get selected. That's what I want. Thank you.